English does work level 5 3439060. Instructor Luz Elena Pérez Correa. Aprendiz Francisco Yanchaguano. 4 April 2026. If my son graduates from university this year, I could study a master's degree next year. If my wife studies hard, she will graduate from university this year. If you work hard, you buy a new car. If we save a lot, we will go on a trip to Europe. If my daughter wakes up early, she will get a better spot at the concert.